Aaron's cooked. You're cooked. I'm cooked. Wide boy! All right, party people, we are here today with the one, the only,
Gabriel Horacio Iglesias Cruz.
and we decided to set up the wide boy. This is a wide boy.
This brings back some memories right there.
With the teeny little trucks.
Yeah.
And we're gonna play a game of stupid skate.
Okay.
This is stupid skate, anything goes,
Okay.
but not everything woes.
This is a pretty accurate representation of what I looked like when we filmed back in August.
You know, apparently the kids these days are calling it big back.
I cannot with you, man.
I don't know why.
Is Aaron-
I didn't make it up.
I've been called Unk a couple times and it hurts me. But if I'm Unk status, then you're for sure.
I don't know what unk means, but I like it.
right.
And I also love when you guys say in the comments, Aaron's cooked. This is my favorite one.
All right.
Okay, let's cook this.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm pretty even today. So, you know, when we start the day, I'm a busy guy and it's been about 4 months, 3.5, 4 months since I've skated. So when we first started filming earlier today, Aaron has an innate advantage because I'm rusty and I'm getting broken in. When we get to the later points of the day, we realize that we're both just old men now, and we're both at about an even standstill point of soreness, exhaustion, and oldness.
And then I'm at a disadvantage because I'm 41 and he's only like 23 and he's calling himself old.
Yeah,
Leave it in the comments
I'm
below.
Absolutely washed.
Am I unk status, yes or no? I was gonna say, if he starts out with a kickflip, this man is a monster. See, with the small trucks and the small wheels, it makes it very difficult because any bit to the side, you're cooked. And I should know.
I don't know why it's so funny when he says that.
I like this board. I think I like it even more than the Swampzilla.
Ooh. We got wind into us, 10, 12 miles an hour. It would take about 12 yards off my golf shot, but shouldn't do too much to my kickflip right here.
If you kickflip this right here, the coffee that you owe me is
Cancel
null and
out.
void.
Okay.
I needed that coffee. I needed it bad. It was the only sustenance I was gonna have for the next 3 months. Those hips don't lie. I can't after that. All right. All right, Unk. Ah! Look at him.
Yeah.
You guys, the dancing is just superb.
Taking that coffee away has never felt so good. Let's go. Right here, let me heel flip on that. Hey!
If you heel flip this right now, I will buy you a coffee.
That would be a 2 coffee swing and 2 tricks. Holy.
Yes. Clearly he skated this board before.
You're in a lot of danger right now.
I am.
I'm feeling spry.
First
I'm
it was
feeling
the
spry.
uncut grip tape. Breathe, Aaron, breathe.
Whatever. Some of the things that get sore are not what I expect. Like my shoulder hurts when I skate. I think because that like throwing motion, or just because I'm getting down too hard. What was it? That was front 180, right?
Front 180.
That's underrated difficult trick.
On this?
Yeah, for
it's
sure.
1,000 degree difficulty. Like a ballerina will. Seen that new John Wick movie?
I was literally just gonna ask you if you saw that. Did you see Bring Her Home or Bring Her Back? It's a scary movie.
I don't watch
It's a horror
scary
film.
movies. Too scary.
Now he's just playing dirty. This is hard too.
I don't know if I should take a letter or make him rebate it.
That's hella hard.
I think she missed that.
That's a letter.
Okay.
That's a letter for sure.
S to S.
That's really hard.
It's all tied up now. I think you're in danger, Gabe Cruz. It's a lot harder than you think. Yeah, leave it in the comments below. Tell me I'm a poser, but
Do
you
your work.
try this.
You think a shove it will conquer me? He is mistaken.
Wow, I almost bodied him, but he came out victorious and glorious.
That's forked. That's absolutely forked. I'm gonna give you, you get some props for that one from me. Oh.
I should actually take dancing lessons and see, you know, at the club, what they say.
Oh yeah.
Gabe Cruz is up, and he's loosened up. He's primed. He says, Aaron, you're in danger.
Fork! That's scary on this.
That's scary on anything. Wide boy, certified egghead.
This board is cracked.
It is. It is cracked. 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 It is cracked
With the way you have to land on this board, it's like you're walking on eggshells. If I land this, Aaron will be scrambled.
If you don't land it, it's over easy. Oh wait.
The sun came out and this board is sunny side up. 4! That's scary, dude.
I know.
That thing is in my head big time right now.
Is that SKA?
That's A already. Oh, I just got the seeing stars. Oh.
I got an idea.
That was really good. I started off really, like, at a really high note on this, and I've just slowly, like, just gotten worse and worse on it, and now I'm afraid to do anything on it. Oh my God.
Boy!
Dude, I'm getting bodied now. I thought I had it, and I don't know. It's got real estate now.
It's in his dome.
Bro.
What is that, A?
That's already T.
T?
I'm playing, I guess we gotta play skaters.
Skaters.
I landed that kickflip first tee, and I felt really good, and it's just gone downhill fast.
Because you didn't do the heel flip.
Yeah.
If you'd have done the heel flip, you would have beat me already.
Yeah.
Oh, I got one. Woo!
Oh, God.
That's deadly. That's nasty.
Dude, that was so good. I can't even be mad, but that was just brute. I mean, I'll tell you what, if I land this, I might throw a party. Oh my God.
Gabriel Horacio.
This is wild. I felt so good on this board.
You're still good on this board. You gotta get out of your head.
I just need a turn.
I got that. I'm a little scared, but I do got it. Where's the heel flip? No prisoners. I have it, and then I don't. Coconut wheelie.
All right, Aaron.
Can't even pick it up. Wide boy.
Prepare for your doom.
Son of a... Okay, Gabe, I know you can't see it, but it's literally perfect. It's perfect.
It feels pretty good.
It doesn't get any better than that.
I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. The shadow on the board underneath me right now is bodying me.
Okay, right here then. No step off, he said.
Oh, no.
Barracks rules, he said. Okay, you want barracks rules? I'll give you barracks rules. Okay, I'm on to something there.
Just take a mental picture of this, Aaron.
Oh my God! That was the sickest thing I've ever seen. I took a whole mental video.
I knew I was landing that for some reason. I just felt good.
There's no way I can even half flip this.
Hey!
There's zero chance of me heel flipping this board. Zero.
Oh my God.
Oh boy! I knew it. He's gonna take my trick. I gotta get him before he gets me. This might be one of very few tricks I have left. Okay, now I'm scared of this board. It's gonna shin me and send me into the next oblivion. But the trucks, they roll so straight. I've never seen trucks roll as straight as this. You know what to do. Wow! Son of a... Woo! Wide boy! Big back!
You think I'm afraid of a mere half cab flip?
Okay, I got it.
You make me sick. I'm gonna do something that's gonna make you sick then.
Okay, I love it. Let's go.
Why is that so hard?
That hurt my back and everything else. But most of all, it hurt my dignity. Wow, son of a... SKA.
Is that scary?
Yeah.
Okay.
Extremely scary.
All right, we got a little momentum building. Let's keep at it.
Wait, kick flip I missed, right?
Heel flip.
Kick flip, heel flip.
Fakey three.
Yeah.
And T for burial.
Yeah, watch it.
It broke.
No, it didn't.
It broke.
No, it didn't.
It broke. Look, I swear it broke.
There's
It
no
broke.
way.
Hey, look, it broke.
This can break.
It broke.
There's no possibility
I swear it broke.
of breaking.
Oh, I'm wrong then, but I swear I felt it break.
This is a wide boy. All right, Gabe.
Do your worst. That is pretty bad. I can't do this on a regular board, TBH.
Just ollie body
I
barrel.
really can't do that trick.
Yeah, you can.
I can't.
It's a hard one. I ain't gonna lie.
My brain doesn't fathom going the front side turn.
Backside is fine though.
No.
With a heel
But
flip.
that's R for me. 1 letter left.
Okay, I think I can do this. I think we're close.
What the hell? You got so much real estate to land on, and you're landing on every part that you shouldn't land on.
Because really, you only have about this much real estate to land on.
True.
Anywhere here or there, you're cooked. I got that. I got that. Leave it in the comments below.
I'm so
Oh!
over this trick.
The scary thing is he had it literally right there.
Varials have done nothing but pain me today.
It's because we need to film it for the gram.
Yeah, that's true.
Why can't I do that?
Dude, it's like it should be so easy.
It's just not.
It's,
you know?
and it's not, you're right. Do what I want you to do. Do what I want you to do.
Oh no! Oh no!
Just had to show it who's boss.
What do I got? T? He's got
About
one
to be
letter left.
E.
I got ERS. 3. If he does the half cab heel, I'm cooked. Double flip? You did not go there.
Oh, I went there.
The sun's getting to him. God, I only have one trick. What's a single trick that I can do?
Oh my God, you gotta be joking me. Oh, he just bodied me. He bodied me, kicked the body on the ground, and put me in a hole. Oh man. The nollie flip to end is brutal.
It's hard, right? Stay in the middle,
Holy.
stay balanced.
It's a good nollie flip training though.
Yeah, it is good. Extra effort.
Oh man. Hey, we did some tricks. We did some tricks. I'm hyped on the tricks that we did still. Wasn't an amazing showing, but man, you know, that is difficult.
This
to
is
skate.
the hardest situation you could ever have. The widest board and the smallest trucks.
Yeah.
You know why they call it heroin skateboards?
I don't.
Because they preach to don't do drugs. That's true. You heard him. All right, well, that was fun. Woo! Killed it. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, follow Gabe Cruz on his Instagram.
Thank you.
And we'll see you in the next video.